Welcome back to Farm Tour Part 2. So now I'm going to be mainly telling you about the buildings and stuff on this yard. So yeah, I'm going to finish because at the end of the last farm tour we still had a little bit of equipment to cover. That's a 1983 Chevy right there. And this is a 2018 Polaris Ranger. And that, my dad's pickup over there, is a 2020. So in here, oh, I forgot this was in here. Okay, here's the biggest tractor we've got, 9620 RX, 2019 John Deere. Yeah, we installed that rock box in the front. And in case this tractor or a different tractor gets stuck, look what my dad put. Just in case. I don't think it'll get stuck though. This thing's a beast. Yeah, here's the fast sprayer I was talking about. I forgot that this was still here. We used two of these planters, exact same size, 20-inch rows. That's what we farm. So yeah, this is DB60, 60-foot planter. And there's my mower, X724 Ultimate. Oh, by the way, that fast sprayer is a 2019, and this planter is a 2019. That's why it's so mudded up, because of 2019. 2019 was the muddiest year ever. That's that's my dad's really old forklift. Yeah, 2019 was so muddy it was ridiculous. So this shed right here, this shed was built in 2010. And these grain bins, I have no idea when these grain bins were built. I have some old pictures in the house I can show you guys. That might help you. Maybe we could run in there real quick at the end of this video. That shed, we brought it here in December 2020. This we got back in 2018 when we first got chickens. That's where all the chickens are. That's my John Deere sign right there. It'd be cooler if it was up there, but nope. Yeah. So anyway, let's talk bigger things. Okay, over here, this gas tank was put in 2020 also. And my dad put these rocks in too recently in 2020. Okay. Huh. Had some words on it. Wanted to read it. Yeah, we just got this in 2020. Got the cement. The cement pad already has cracks in it. Come on. Literally just poured a year ago. It's already got cracks in it. These gas tanks are a lot older. They've been here since like the early 2000s. We need to tear this thing down. It is such a bad building. Can't even withstand rain. It always leaks. So yeah, we're gonna tear it down sometime this summer, hopefully, or either that or this fall. Next fall we're gonna get some windmills. Right now they're deciding where to put them. So yeah. Okay, now the house. So let me tell you quite a long story. So back in like the mid 1800s, somebody moved here from New York. He was rich. He built a mansion, 12-room house. 12 rooms. Well, technically only 6, because back then the rooms were about half the size. It was a big house, though. 3-story house. It didn't have any heating or anything, so yeah. In the winter, you slept right in front of the stove. And then in the summer, you slept in the basement. That was the only place cool. And then in the late 1960s, we tore it down and built this house in the early 1970s. Actually, let me head back over here. I think there's a cement block. I think this cement pad over here has it right on it. Yep, 1974, that's when this was paved. August of 1974, that's when this thing was paved. Okay. So yeah, they must have finished the house in 1974 then. Or sometime around that. Well, anyway, I'm gonna head inside. I might have to edit out the part where my gonna listen to rant in here. So downstairs here is where I got the picture. So where the pictures are sitting. Okay. Okay. This is the late 1980s picture of a farm, so yeah. There's a lot more grain bins back then. And yep, we had that in the middle of our yard. My dad took that down in 2010 when the shop was built. That's where the shop is right now. The pigs there. Yeah, we used to have that big grass patch back there. That was the late 80s. So let's go back to the 60s. We're going way back now. Okay. This is what our farm looked like in the 60s. Can you believe that? It looks so much different. So yeah, that's where the shop is. Over there. And that's where our yard is. It's just all trees. Yeah, and look, that's where that patch was on this picture. See? That patch back there? That's it right there. Yeah, this is where our house is. That's the old house right there. It's not really a mansion, but it was a pretty big house. Yeah, that's the only picture we've really got of that house. All the rest of the pictures are other place. I think this one is 1991 up here. So let me set that down and look at it. Yep, I think this is like 1991 or something. Actually, yeah, I think this might be 1991. I think there was a picture just like that with a date on it. So where did I put you guys? Uh-oh. Guys, where do you go? Oh, you're over here. So yeah, that's like that's like early 1990s. So yeah. It's not very much different from the 1980s picture, but yeah, and this up here, that's 2015. And man, have things changed. So let me look at the 1960 picture and then show you this 2015 picture. Okay, let me set this on the ground. Yeah, it even says 2015 at the bottom. Okay, let me show you. So, this is 2015. But then, look at 1960. Does this even look like our yard? It kinda does, but not really. Look at the house, then look at the house. Look at the shop, and then look at the shop. Look at the grain bins. There's only one standing. There's only two standing over there. Look at the silos. Well, you can't even tell that there are silos in this picture. Yeah. That was years ago. And then, late 1980s, look how much it changed. 1991, 2015. Our farm has changed. Well, you're welcome for the history lesson. Well, anyway, this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Where's the... Okay, there.